Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download and install syncler on your Android. So the first step you have to take is this: go to the browser of your choice, type in syncler, then you just click on the first website here. So you just have to click on this three dot found at the top right corner. Click on the download option. So right here, click on download anyway. Here you click on the open option. So from here, you just click on the particular app you just downloaded now. Right here, you click on the open option. So from here, you just click on the particular app you just downloaded now. So after installing it, you can now set it up on your device and make use of it. So guys, that is it on how